how you doing? So yes, I have a hair review. I'm super excited because I haven't done a hair review in a while in regarding to some bundles. So that means I have to make a wig. Oh my god, I haven't made a wig in a minute. You know, at one point I was making wigs like once a week or at least twice a month. I was making a new wig, but I shall digress. Okay, but however, the lovely folks over at, I want to say Klaiyi, if I'm saying it right, they sent me some hair. They sent it, I'm just gonna run through this. They sent it priority mail, so it came pretty quick. It came in this lovely box, and you guys know I save these boxes for storing and things like that. I don't throw them away. I'll put the actual unit inside the box and tuck it away nice and tight so things can be, you know, nice and organized when it comes to, you know, your units and things like that. So what came in the box? This is some shipping information. Everything is nicely packed, nicely packed tight. So they gave me two weaving caps. I never used these weaving caps before. I think this is when you put your braids on and you sew the weaving cap down, that's what these are. I never done that before and I won't be doing that. So I just have these for just regular stocking caps to put underneath your unit. So here are my bundles. Let's make sure the bundles are correct. I got 116 and 2 18s. Now you guys know I usually don't go beyond 16, but I got the 18 because I want to cut it. And sometimes when you get a 16, you need that extra little length just to get that good cut that you want. So, and here is the lace frontal. This lace frontal is 18 inches. So you know this frontal will get cut. So let's open it up and see how everything is. It's just pretty much an unboxing, just, you know, seeing what we got. It's very nice and tight. So it has a netting over the frontal. Let's see how big this frontal is. Now, while I'm opening this, I'm going to explain to you guys. I haven't had a successful lace frontal installation ever. Ever. But I have a lot of confidence that I can do this. So this is the actual lace frontal. And it looks like, from educating myself, that this actual closure is, the hairline is pretty good. I'm going to definitely probably do some tweezing so it can match my particular hairline. But for the most part, it looks good. In regards to the knots, you can definitely see it. I'm going to determine if I'm going to bleach the knots or not. I do have some bleaching stuff. I may do it, I may not, so I don't know. But however, this is the actual frontal. And this is natural wave. So I didn't want anything that was like a body wave or something that was too straight or something that was too wavy. I want something that I can actually straighten. And this looks good. So in regards to, I always like to check for flyaways. There's a little bit, nothing to run home about, because if you use like mousse and hairspray and things like that, it will definitely lay it down. Okay, so that's the frontal. Frontal looks good. I'm going to open up the 16-inch. And so far, the hair doesn't smell. I don't smell anything, you know, outrageous or anything like that. Everything just smells like it's been processed like in a factory. You know how something on mass production, it smells like machines. So that's nothing that we can. I wash my bundles. Yeah, I wash my bundles. And this here's the actual bundle. This is a 16-inch. It looks good. Well, it looks kind of, for lack of better words, it looks like janky, but it just seems a little bit thin as it gets down to the bottom. But we'll see how it blends out when it gets mixed in with all the other bundles. Because it feels thick up in here, but then as it gets a little bit thinner. I like my bundles to kind of stay consistent all the way through. So let's look at the actual weft, normal weft construction. I'm not going to take it out all the way because I want to wash the actual bundles. I like to wash them in the bundle. You know what? Let me just take one out. So here's the actual weft. And I understand that, you know, it's a natural wave, so it's going to be some spacing. But we have to see how this actually turns out, you know, once I finish making the unit. Now the weft is a normal weft construction, looks nice and tight. I don't worry about shedding because I don't seal anything. It's all about how you care for it. I don't cut my weft, so it shouldn't shed too much. The beards are very short, nothing to run home about. That doesn't bother me because I'm making a wig, so it's not going to affect me wearing anything. Okay, let's open up one of the 19, one of the 18s. So far so good. You know, you really can't make a judgment on an actual unboxing because you have to actually, you know, wash the hair, play around with the hair, and you have to sew it in, see how it works, you know, with all the tugging and pulling and things like that, and then styling and things like that. That's when you get the real gist of everything once you style it. So this one here, same scenario, nice and full here, then it gets kind of thin at the end in regards to the flyaways. Not too many, nothing that, you know, again, hairspray or like a smoothing type of solution wouldn't smooth out. Normal weft. So I want to come and show you this because I am going to try my hand at making me a wig with a lace frontal. Like I said before, I tried before. I failed big time twice, but I'm going to do it again. I'm going to take my time and I'm going to make sure I get it right. Now I hear that you can use so many different solutions. I'm only going to be using the got-to-be glue to, you know, to put it down and things like that. I'm not going to go far out with any bonding glue because I don't know nothing about that. I'm going to keep it real simple. And let me know if you are a lace frontal wearer and you are good at what you do. Please link some videos down below so I could watch. I want to make sure I get this right, y'all. I got to get it right. In addition to that, if you are a wig maker, please let me know some of your tips. Please let me know some of your tricks and tips. In addition, what are you using? I really don't want to use anything harsh, but what are you using in regards to, you know, adhering it down? I'm going to stick with the what's it called? Got-to-be glue? Something like that. It's in a yellow tube. I'm going to use that. So, simple. So, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe now so you can see the finished results. I want to say hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.